We guide you through how to fix mobile data not working. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure mobile data is turned on by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the mobile data icon. If it's already enabled, turn it off a few seconds and switch it back on. Next, enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds, then disable it to refresh your network connection. Go to Settings, then Connections, Mobile Networks, and make sure the correct network mode is selected, such as LTE or 5G or even 4G, depending on your carrier. After that, restart your Samsung phone to clear temporary network issues. If the mobile data still isn't working, remove and reinsert your SIM card or test it another phone to check if the SIM is the problem. You can also go to Settings, General Management, Reset, then Reset Mobile Network Settings to restore your network configuration without deleting your personal files. And finally, check for any available software updates under Settings, Software Update, as updates often fix connectivity bugs.